How to crack NET exam Avins tips. Solve previous year question papers. Solving previous year question papers will give you an idea about the exam pattern and types of questions asked in the exam. It will also help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. Practice time management. The UGC NET exam is time-bound, and time management is crucial for success. Practice solving questions within the given time limit to improve your speed and accuracy. Develop a deep understanding of the concepts. To excel in the UGC NET exam, you need to have a deep understanding of the concepts. Don't just memorize the facts, try to understand the underlying principles and their applications. Focus on your weaker areas, identify your weaker areas and focus on improving them. Don't neglect any topic or subject, as each topic carries equal weightage in the exam. Stay updated with the latest developments. Stay updated with the latest developments in your subject area by reading research papers, attending seminars, and following experts in your field. Take mock tests. Mock tests are a great way to assess your preparation level and identify your weaknesses. Take as many mock tests as possible to improve your speed, accuracy, and time management skills. Stay calm and confident. The UGC NET exam can be challenging, and it is natural to feel nervous. However, staying calm and confident is crucial for success. Stay positive and believe in yourself. Remember, the key to success in the UGC NET exam is consistent practice, hard work, and dedication. Keep these tips in mind, and you will be on your way to success. Good luck.